Hi guys, in this simple tutorial I will be showing you how you can make a light box like this at home with this simple tutorial. This is what you will need: a USB power source. I use this USB-C female 2-pin, a 2-pin rocker switch to turn the light on and off, some heat shrink tubing. You can also use electric tape, and a soldering iron with some tin and flux. The LED strip I use is a cob LED strip which has a diffuser on top. I will put a link in the description. Step 1 is measuring how long the LED strip has to be. I place the LED strip around the box. I also leave a little bit of a margin, because if you have some type of error while soldering, you don't have to replace the whole LED strip. Always cut the LED strip at the black stripe. Do not cut it elsewhere. Now we will want to stick the LED strip to the box. If your LED strip doesn't come with adhesive, you can also use a glue gun. Now you will want to strip some electric wires. I strip the wires so that approximately half a centimeter is exposed. Remember to put on some heat shrink before you begin to solder. You will want to solder the black wires directly to each other. For the red wire coming from the USB, you will want to connect it to the rocker switch, the off side. The red wire coming from the LED strip, you'll want to connect to the rocker switch on the on side. Before you begin to solder, ensure that you have some proper ventilation. Now apply some heat to the heat shrink. Now place some tape on the cables to ensure that they don't cause any black spots. And this will be the final result. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, please let me know down in the comments.